Vision. CPC is a dynamic institution of higher learning which is accessible, globally competitive, culturally and morally sensitive towards sustainable ecotourism and natural resource development. Mission. Pursuant to Section 3 of RA 7923, the college shall provide professional, technical, and special instruction for special purposes and to promote research and extension services, advanced studies, and progressive leadership in agriculture, forestry, engineering, arts and sciences, and other relevant studies. Quality policy. Camiguin Polytechnic State College, an institution of higher learning in the island of Camiguin, commits to provide quality higher education, technical instruction, research extension, and production services to meet the increasing stakeholders' requirements through continual improvement on its quality management system. To achieve this, CPC shall 1. Deliver quality service to stakeholders. 2. Adhere to regulatory requirements, establish professional and ethical standards. 3. Adapt changes in educational system as required by law. 4. Forge agreements with other SUCs and line agencies locally and internationally. 5. Update the qualifications and strengthen competencies of faculty members. 6. Improve key processes and procedures in delivering quality instructions and relevant research extensions, production services. 7. Pursue continual improvements on quality management system as a higher learning institution and partner in sustainable development. Objectives. 1. To offer excellent and relevant baccalaureate degree program in agriculture. 2. To produce quality instructional materials relevant to the degree program. 3. To inoculate moral values for total human development. 4. To produce quality researches relevant to local, regional, and international development goals. 5. To package generated agricultural technologies for farmers, fisherfolks, and other stakeholders. 6. To promote relevant agricultural technologies for improved quality of life.